This 4-axis CNC engraving machine is specially designed for jewelers who need to engrave bracelets, rings, and other jewelry in batches. It delivers high and stable finished quality, can engrave more than 2,000 pattern designs, and also supports dust recovery. Let's take a look at the specific functions of this machine. More than 2,000 design patterns. It can easily create the styles you want and quickly meet market demand. Dust recovery rate up to 99.8%. With an integrated inner wall and a precision filtration system, there is almost no loss of metal powder, making recovery easy and helping save costs. Small footprint. Its compact size allows multiple machines to be arranged in batches, saving labor and reducing space occupation. This 4-axis CNC engraving machine is powerful, highly efficient, and space-saving. It is very suitable for jewelers who need mass jewelry engraving. If you are interested, please contact me.